good afternoon, everybody. It's Jean here. I'm just going to put up a few minutes of video. Maxwell and I, we just got back from the DMV. We did a shop. We're exhausted. It's raining. It's tired. We're tired. Maxwell had to get a real ID for maybe some future work prospects, which we'll tell you about later, and his schooling. So we went to the DMV. And it wasn't actually all that bad. I must say, we waited 2 solid hours. But it went quickly. And the lady who was helping us as you walk in, as I was saying to Maxwell, she was very official, and yet she wasn't officious. Which, when I was trying to explain it to Maxwell, she wasn't being nasty or lording it over. She was just very professional. And she turned away about, I would say 20 people who did not have the proper documentation. These poor people, they're coming for either their driver's license renew, a real ID, or photographic, or taking their driver's test or their permit, and you need all sorts of documentation. And then I felt so bad. A little old lady walked in, very nicely dressed, and she didn't have her marriage certificate. Quite a few needed their marriage certificate, their divorce certificate, and or their passport. Fortunately, we had everything. I took sort of everything. We were fine. We got called after an hour and 50 minutes. We got called, our number. And then we went over to the gentleman who, I feel sorry. It was early in the morning. These guys are probably done. I mean, sorry, DMV workers, but what a soulless job. I mean, ugh. It was, this cold office, this cold building, and, tile floors and fluorescent lighting, and I was a little worried about Maxwell, but he was a trooper. We made it. It was teeming down with rain, and then afterwards we just did a little video of us coming out. It was funny, and then we did a shop. So I just thought maybe you'd like to see that. Since you're following, that's our day today. I just packed up early this morning. I packed up some of my china. I had 3 beautiful, I had 3 beautiful china sets from England. And I'm not leaving them. I'm not doing that. But it was so nice because our one daughter-in-law came last night with 3 of our little grandkids. She came last night. She went shopping in our house. And I didn't realize I had a collection all over the place of blue and white china. Blue and white stoneware, blue and white things. And I'm not a blue person, as you know, if you've been following me. I don't love the color blue. And yet I had all this blue and white. Willow pattern, all stuck here and there. Like you said, I have so much stuff, I forgot what I had. So she found it all. I said, oh, go shopping. So she found a whole bunch of books from our library that she took. They're the ones who were moving into their new home. She was thrilled. She got a lot of stuff. She got a lot of pretty stuff. I had a collection of about 25 roosters, stoneware, china roosters. I can take about 2. So she got a rooster. Nice. So that was last night. It was lovely. She went shopping. The boys are coming. Our other son, he came, and he's coming over the weekend to take some party things. I have large party lanterns because I don't envision entertaining on that large scale. He's going to be doing that. Party lanterns, lots of tablecloths, banquet cloths. He's come and taken. I have a lot of beautiful, beautiful tiered plates for goodies and stands. He's taking a lot of that. Napkin rings, things like that. So yeah, it's all happening. People are coming shopping. Not quite. I don't want too many people around my things, as I said, but my family. It's lovely. So anyway, little silly day that we had this morning, and I hope you enjoy it. And keep following. It's nice. It's nice to share. It's nice to be able to share and to vent with you friends of mine. So thank you so much. So Maxwell was on a roll. I was tired. I looked terrible. But never mind. We're getting there. We're getting there, folks. All right. Enjoy. See ya. Bye.
Hello.
Good morning, everyone. There's Maxwell and I. We are headed where?
The DMV.
We are headed to the DMV to try to get Maxwell's real ID. So what do you think, Maxwell?
Boring process.
Yeah, boring process. Hopefully it will not be too bad. Not be too bad. And then we can go and drop off the bits that we have at the thrift store.
All that stuff.
Yeah, some stuff that we have there. Yeah, so it's a rainy, cold morning here in Pennsylvania. Just like we don't want to go out, but here we are.
I don't have a steady hand today.
Yeah, keep it steady. Keep it steady. So Maxwell didn't go to school this morning. And
For the first time.
yeah, for the first time this year. Yeah, you get up every morning, go to school. Oh, don't wipe your nose.
I have an itch.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the DMV and we're gonna come back out. We have all of his paperwork. What do we need? I think we need a photo ID. And where's your photo ID, Maxwell?
About that photo ID.
About that photo ID. Where is it?
About that photo ID.
Yeah, Maxwell had a wallet. Where's your wallet, Maxwell?
It's misplaced.
Yeah.
I could say I'm responsible-ish.
Ish. Yeah. Yeah, we had a wallet. This isn't the first time you've misplaced it. And where did you find it the last time you misplaced it?
In my room under the, well, my thing, what's next to the nightstand, I think it's called?
Yes, yeah.
And then the nightstand is raised up on a platform. It was underneath the platform.
Do you think your wallet's there now? Because hopefully they don't need,
it's not.
no, hopefully they don't need a photo ID. Because this is...
I thought I gave you my old photo ID. The 11th grade one.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my word, I didn't even see that.
That is dedication.
That is dedication. That is. Anyway, look at this guy. This is dedication too.
No, it is a crossing. So probably he got the light to go.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So anyway, so Maxwell lost his wallet.
Stop saying lost, it's misplaced.
It's misplaced. It's misplaced.
It's misplaced, it's not lost. Lost is a different category.
Oh, okay, you're right, okay. So hopefully we can find it. But right now we have...
Don't...
Oh no, I'm not going to show the important documents. Don't want anyone to steal your identity.
So I'm just gonna face it on me while you open that.
Okay, face it on you. So we have your social security card, we have your birth certificate, we have proof of address. The address.
2 forms?
2 forms, yes, I got 2 forms of address. So hopefully we have everything. Maxwell, stop wiping your nose on your jacket.
I'm sorry, I have an itch.
Oh, it's okay. And you're sniffing too. Anyway, okay folks, well here we go. Maxwell will...
The journey awaits. Have a boring weekend. I'm hungry.
I know. We haven't eaten anything.
Hey, there is a Dunkin' Donuts beer. You want to go there?
We'll go to Dunkin' Donuts afterwards.
Ooh, shiny.
Ooh, shiny. We'll go to Dunkin' Donuts afterwards, okay?
How about before?
No, go afterwards. You'll appreciate it afterwards. We'll get the real ID. We could show the folks. Okay, because you did your hair? That's awesome. You shaved. Thank you very much.
For the first time in forever. Well, me and my mom have this little thing, still like stupid camera.
No, it's not stupid.
No, not stupid camera. Like
the little tripod is like a wobbly, yeah.
The tripod is probably, I think it's time for a new tripod.
Oh, you can buy me a new tripod, okay?
Why do I have to buy the tripod?
Because you're like a star now.
No, I'm not buying the tripod.
No, you're not.
So
what is our routine?
Well, we get in the car, grab like 2 pieces of gum.
Okay, where's our gum?
But the thing is, Mom grabs one and I have to grab the other piece.
Right.
Other 2 pieces.
Yeah, we get in the car, we have our gum in the console here. Oh, Maxwell. What are we? Creatures of routine?
No, creatures of routine and habit.
Creatures of routine and habit. It's a good thing. It's a good thing.
Yes, and will we continue going to the same old post office? Probably.
Oh, you and your post office.
Lego store.
And the Lego store right next to it. Oh, there was a Lego store in this sort of like industrial place. I didn't know it was a retail Lego store. And Maxwell kept saying, oh, let's go to the Lego store near the post office. And I'm like, maybe it's just a sign.
It's not a sign. The sign wouldn't be there.
I know.
Just be there.
But it's not like a Lego store in like a mall. It's sort of almost a second-hand Lego store.
But still counts as a Lego store.
Yeah, so we went in the Lego store near the post office, which we have a routine.
But we only gone in there once, so that's kind of off routine.
No, the post office is our routine.
The post office is routine, but the Lego store is not routine.
And we have to go to Walmart, so what's our routine at Walmart?
We go in the same old section.
Okay, well.
Over and over again. When the super Walmart, when we get to the quilting section, I'll say bye-bye, I'll be in the electronic aisle.
You go in the electronic aisle, I go in the fabric aisle, then we meet up in the blender aisle.
No, Hot Wheels aisle.
Oh, the Hot Wheels aisle, and then the blender aisle. Maxwell, why are you obsessed with blenders? Maxwell, we have a blender. We have a nice blender, yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Why do you want another blender?
I would like to have a blender where I have the main blender at home. I also have a main blender, but will also be at home. But I can carry a drink inside and take it with me, like for school. You
well, what blender is that?
It's
is that the magic bullet thing?
It's something ninja.
Oh, a ninja. I have seen that. Oh, put it off of me. I don't want that.
You want your one?
I look terrible. It's early in the morning. No, you look handsome. Because you shaved.
I'm so sorry, folks. I bumped the camera.
Yeah. So we want a ninja. Anybody out there have a ninja?
It is pretty much the big brother of the magic bullet.
Oh.
It's the big brother.
All right. So, yeah, okay. So anyway, we are off. Sorry about this being a mundane conversation. We are going to tell you how we made out. We're almost at the DMV here in Pennsylvania.
Get a new tripod, Mom.
All right.
So bumpy.
It is bumpy. Sorry about that, folks. Okay, we're gonna go into the DMV, check it out, and we will be back hopefully sooner rather than later. All right, see ya.
See ya.
Starting.
Okay.
So what happened?
We went to the DMV. I calculated the time of 2 hours.
And it took us exactly 2 hours.
And it's pouring rain.
It's chucking down with rain. It took 2 hours. Actually, they were quite pleasant. The people were quite pleasant. It's such a long wait. So now we're quite desperate to go get something to eat, right?
Yes, we are. And are we gonna go sit down or not sit down?
Where do you want to go sit down?
Warm Mr. West, maybe?
Warm Mr. West? Okay. Or just want a McDonald's?
I don't really want a McDonald's, so like, I'm not feeling that.
Okay.
Hey.
You want a diner?
Yeah, I want a diner. And yes, I am avoiding the camera.
What a morning! It's only 10:30 in the morning. But we got it. Well, no, we don't have it. What's happening?
So we'll get my ID, within 10 days.
So the real ID that you need to fly has to be mailed to us. All that wait, and they're like, well, you do realize you're not going to get it. You would have had to have gone to another office. I'm like, what? Okay, so we are back from the DMV, and we've had a morning of it. We were in the DMV, the Department of Motor Vehicles building for 2 solid hours. We did get his application and his photo card and all, but the real ID won't be coming to us for another 10 days, will it? Maxwell? Maxwell!
What did you say?
Stop. Are you listening to music? Put the...
Or am I?
Stop. So we went to the DMV. And then we went to, no, stop, don't put it in. Put it on you. We went to the DMV, then we went to,
No.
Oh, we went to Manhattan Bagel, because we were starved.
Oh, hey, we were starved. It was kind of funny. We're eating our bagels. We got a red velvet muffin.
I wanted a red velvet muffin. It wasn't fabulous. It wasn't great. But I looked down and you ate the whole thing in front of me. Oh, just stop it. Stop. So anyway, then we did a shop at Walmart. We are exhausted. We're coming home.
And I'm going to take a nap.
No, you're not going to take a nap. You're going to help me. You're going to help me pack up some things and take them to the thrift store. So, yeah, we've got what we had to do done. We're pleased about that.
Yes, we did a shop. After the shop, I'm tired.
I know, I'm tired.
I'm gonna take a rest.
I'm tired. We'll have a little bit of a rest, and then we gotta, because you should be at school. Well, we did a lot today, and we're home now. Home sweet home. Things have to get done, so we're getting them all done, folks.
Yep. And I just gotta say, I wasn't really listening to you at that first part. I was not even listening.
That's mean. That's very mean.
I told you we were doing a skip. I did.
I skipped. Oh my.
Because I didn't say if I was gonna listen or not.
You didn't listen to me. I can tell when you're not listening to me. And you can now tell when I'm not listening to you, can't you? What do I say?
And
sometimes I get fed up with you, don't I? Do I get fed up?
Yes.
And what do I do?
Or you say, be quiet, and all I do is walk away. Yeah. I walk away.
When I say be quiet, that means what? I'm done. I'm done with you.
And then I go to push your patience and talk even more.
Oh, I know. And when you push my patience, I see start. No, I don't.
No, you don't.
I'm very patient with you.
But
sometimes.
Well, we have this little joke. It's called "We'll see." Like, and like 95% of the time, it's a no, and the other 5% it's a yes.
If I say "we'll see,"
that's a no.
It doesn't mean it's a no. That's not. Well, it's.
Yes.
Is it true?
That is true.
Sometimes.
You admitted it on camera. She admitted it, folks. My mom admitted it.
Sometimes. Well, you ask for things and they may be like not possible, but I don't want to shatter you and say no, so I'll say we'll see. But it means a no. Yes,
in reality.
Anyway, all right, folks.
Well,
we're tired.
Is there one more we should share?
What is one more we should share?
Oh, I think this is, we will not actually do this in real life, but it's an expression. You know the expression, we'll kill two birds with one stone. Aww. But instead we'll kill one bird with two stones. That's like murder on a whole nother level.
Maxwell said to me not too long ago, if we do that chore, we're killing one bird with two stones. And I said, that's not the saying, Maxwell.
And so what other expressions did I mess up?
Oh, you've messed up quite a few. But never mind, that's for another time. All right, say goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Say goodbye. We'll see you.
I'm gonna pretend I listened to all that.
Bye.